Health Watch this evening, whooping cough is spreading. Dr. Malcolm Marshall is here right now. Okay, so what do we know and what do we need to know to protect our kids from this?
Right. I mean, we don't talk about it very often because you don't really hear about it much. Well, whooping cough, it's also known as pertussis, and it's a bacterial respiratory infection that initially causes common cold symptoms. It can then generate coughing spells that end in sort of this whooping or gasping sound, and the cough can actually last for weeks, sometimes months. Now, the bacteria is easily spread from person to person, but most children are protected with a routine childhood vaccine. Now the CDC says weekly reported cases have accelerated to the highest level seen in the U.S. in years, with Pennsylvania reporting the most cases, followed by New York. So they say, why the rise? Well, it's probably a combination of factors. Rates of infections dropped during the pandemic because, of course, we were all distancing and masking, but we're not doing that any longer. We're better at diagnosing and reporting the illness, and the vaccine, while it's incredibly safe, does lose some effectiveness over time. The people at greatest risk of severe illness include infants, pregnant women, people with underlying lung disease, and, of course, people who have never been vaccinated. If you think you've been exposed or you suspect that you actually have whooping cough, you want to contact your doctor because there are antibiotics that can be given to actually prevent the spread to others. It doesn't really help so much with the symptoms, however.
Okay, but that is good to know.